Josie at Work is a job creation drive by the City of Johannesburg which aims to reduce unemployment, poverty and inequality across the municipality. The program is tailored to create work opportunities for cooperatives and small enterprises in poorer communities of Johannesburg. Josie at Work enables these cooperatives to partner with the city in the delivery of municipal services in their particular neighborhoods in an effort to fast-track socio-economic transformation. The City of Joburg's flagship project, Josie at Work, has helped a lot of startup businesses in previously disadvantaged communities like Alexandra to establish themselves as big cooperatives. These cooperatives then partner with the municipality in supplementing municipal services. They create jobs for locals, and this is good for the local economy. Let's meet one of the beneficiaries, Mr. David Buthelezi.
Into engizenzayo ngiyatayila, ngiyenza icarpentry, ngiyenza ipainting, build a swimming pool, service swimming pool. I'm doing painting, I'm doing cleaning manje ne-Josie at Work. Ngithola umsebenzi we-Josie at Work early this year ngoJanuary. Cleaning contract yala eBuhlabelo, which is a 12 months contract. So i-cleaning engiyenzayo manje ngiqasha abantu abayi-13 for ukucleana wonke lama-cluster ngoba sinama-cluster ayi-13 kusho ukuthi wonke umuntu une-cluster yakhe ayicleanayo. And then ku-painting ngina-about 7 yabantu engibaqashile.
A portion of the work packages will be issued to local entrepreneurs in the energy and water industry, greening services, maintenance and agriculture, as well as waste collection and recycling. To ensure compliance to supply chain regulations and to mitigate possible corruption, the city has set up systems for whistleblowing and monitoring of the contractors.
I-Josie at Work yenza umehluko omkhulu kabi ebantwini abangasebenzi. Abantu abaningi nje abasazi ukuthi kuhlala kukhalwa ngemisebenzi. Bonke abantu engibaqashile abantu bebangasebenzi. Abantu manje nabo bona manje abanye most yabo bahlala la sebakwazi ukubhadala irent, abanye sebakwazi ukuyisa abantwana esikolweni, abanye sebakwazi ukwenza izinto bebangakhona ukuzenza.
The city has also appointed capability support agents who audit the skills of beneficiaries, provide training and monitoring, as well as ensure that the cooperatives and community-based companies grow beyond the program and do businesses with customers other than the city.
So impilo zabo neyami ishintshile noma mina bese ngiqalile ukuwenza lo msebenzi. Kodwa i-Josie Work ithe mayifika ngoba at least uthola that longer contract i-12 months and then iyakhona ukuthi ipush. Right painting nako noma i-2 months kodwa ine difference enkulu eyenzile kwabanye abantu bebanganawo lo msebenzi ebebangawutholi umsebenzi ofana nalo.
The first Josie at Work packages were assigned to cooperatives in March 2015 and were from the Johannesburg City Parks and Zoo, the Department of Social Development and Community Development, Pick It Up, the Department of Health and City Power. Outstanding work packages will come from all the other City of Joburg entities.
I-idea ye-Josie at Work ngicabanga ukuthi uba Parkstar weza nento ebaluleke kakhulu. Ngoba thina singabantu sithanda ukusola i-government, i-government ayenzi lokho. Sibe singenzi lutho nathi. So ngaloko akwenzile wenza umsebenzi omkhulu kabi omuhle futhi. So lento le into engithanda ukuthi mina ngaqhubeka iye phambili.
1,500 new cooperatives have been registered and more than 4,000 existing enterprises have been captured as interested parties. Joburg, a world-class African city.